Creating a QR code in Canva is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance the interactivity of your designs, allowing you to link to websites, social media profiles, videos, and more. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to create a QR code directly within Canva. 1. Visit the Canva website and sign into your account. 2. Start a new project by either selecting a template or opening an existing design where you want to incorporate a QR code. 3. On the left-hand side panel, scroll down and locate the Apps option. 4. Look for the QR code generator tool within the Apps section. Note that Canva's interface updates may alter its exact location or name, but it's typically labeled clearly. 5. Once you've found the QR code tool, open it. 6. Enter the URL or information you want your QR code to link to. This could be a website, a video link, a social media page, or any other digital destination. 7. After entering the necessary information, click the button to generate the QR code. 8. Canva will automatically create a QR code based on the provided information. 9. Once the QR code is generated, you can click and drag to adjust its size according to your preference. 10. You can also move the QR code around your design to position it where you want it to appear. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Canva tips. If you have any questions or ideas for future tutorials, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching.